The Emirati consortium EDGE presented a variety of products, including advanced missile and weapon systems, electronic warfare, and cyber technology solutions. At SAHA 2024, EDGE was highlighting its autonomous system, notably the QX family of tall loitering munitions, Garmusha rotary wing UAV, and the Shadow standoffs UAVs. The Shadows and QX family represents two advanced unmanned systems developed by EDGE Group, tailored to enhance surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike capabilities in modern warfare. The Shadow is a long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle designed for extensive intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, offering real-time data and imagery over extending ranges, making it a critical asset for prolonged operations. The QX family, on the other hand, comprises a range of smaller tactical drones equipped for rapid deployment and diverse mission profiles, including loitering and precision strike roles, with models like the QX1, QX2, and QX3. The QX family covers a variety of payloads and operational uses. EDGE also is showcasing the rich precision-guided munition systems and Desert Sting air-to-surface weapons.
Hello, my name is Ödül Öden. I'm International Sales Manager from Meteksan Defense Company. This year we are exhibiting in SAHA Expo 2024 and we are exhibiting with our high technology products. Let me introduce first very briefly about our company. Our company is the high technology producer of Turkey. We are mainly producing some critical and infrastructure security basis systems like radar systems, counter-drone systems. Also, we are producing unmanned surface vessels, also platform subsystems like helicopter subsystems, missile subsystems, ship and submarine subsystems, and also UAV subsystems. This product, as we call Retinar AESA multi-mission radar, this is our new high technology radar system. The main purpose of producing this radar system is to detect both aerial and ground targets at the same time, including high-speed targets and low-speed targets at the same time. For example, in the ground, we can detect humans and vehicles, and in the air, it can detect tactical drones, kamikaze drones, also other mini and micro drones as well. The beam width is 90 degree to 90 degree. If you happen to use 4 of them onto a vehicle or on any place you would like to protect, it creates a hemispheric protection on that area. So it can both protect the respective area while on the move counter UAS system, or you can use the systems as a fix on some area to create an umbrella effect to avoid aerial threats. This product is going to be ready within this year, and hopefully we will deliver to Turkish Army this year. This is KAPAN counter-drone system. The system is one of the most advanced counter-UAS system. It is developed against mini and micro drone threats. The biggest threats nowadays are the mini and micro drones. This is because terrorists can easily obtain these mini and micro drones easily from the market. The KAPAN counter drone system is an effective solution to avoid these threats. Especially mini micro drones like that RCS value, very small ones, it can detect almost 4 kilometer distance. After detecting the mini micro drones, this is the drone detection radar on the top part. It is a rotating radar. It is first finding the threat from long distances, long range. After it finds the threat, it gives this information to electro-optics. Electro-optics turns there with a separate pan tilt system and zoom in the target because the radar gives the 3D position of the threat. After the second verification is done by the electro-optic system, then the information is given to the jammers. We can both use directional jammer or omnidirectional jammer. If you think that there is a swarm attack possibility, you should use omnidirectional solution. In this standard configuration, we are using the directional jammer in order to avoid jamming everywhere because the directional jammer only affects the directed area. It's a complete counter-drone system which is very effective against these threats because the detection range is very high. Therefore, it can jam from long ranges. This type of counter-drone system is much effective for the long-range detecting, tracking, and jamming. As you can see, we are with ULAQ, anti-surface warfare vessel. We have a collaboration with Ares Shipyard to produce this high-technology unmanned surface vessel. And we are the first producer of unmanned surface vessels in Turkey. So as you can see here, this is the configuration of our Turkish Navy version. The front side, we are using the 12.7 millimeter machine gun, and on the back side there are missiles on it. This system has autonomy and also with artificial intelligence, the capabilities is very highly advanced in the system. So we first start to make the R&D in the year 2018. And after 2-3 years time, we produced the boat and we launched it on 2021 with a live missile test with the attendance of Defense Industry Agency. The test successfully completed, the live test successfully completed. Now we sign a contract with Turkish Navy and producing the latest configuration of anti-surface warfare vessel. We have currently two products produced. One is the port security vessel, which is carrying the 12.7 millimeter machine gun on the front side. And the second version, the anti-surface warfare vessel, carrying missiles and machine gun on the same platform. The platform is reaching up to 40 knot speed, very high performance. It is durable in sea state 4, so it has very advanced composite materials. This is ULAQ Kama. This is expandable unmanned surface vessel. You can consider that it's a type of kamikaze unmanned surface vessel, as you can see. The actual dimension is 6.3 meter and it's a stealth solution. You can load the system around 200 kilogram payload capacity. You can either upload the photo of the target to its autonomy, and accordingly it can recognize the target and fully autonomously it can go to the target to to eliminate it. Or secondly, you can remotely control it on the sea. And also it can be considered not only as a kamikaze explosive, but also it can be used for intelligence and surveillance purposes as well. If you don't load it with the explosives, then you can load with some other payloads. So accordingly, it can act based on the local doctrine. This is our one of the new solutions called HELRAD, helicopter radar. Now we are in the phase of production, not completed yet. But after the completion of the production, you can configure the HELRAD on the top, or as you can see on the bottom side of the helicopter, based on the available space. The main purpose of using this HELRAD is to detect smaller and also the bigger maritime targets. This is the main purpose. You can detect some small type of boats on the sea by using the helicopters. This is using the radar technology. That's why it is independently can detect the targets in the bad weather conditions, foggy weathers, or if there are some clouds, over the clouds operations, you can detect this type of targets, especially nowadays. You know, one of the biggest issues are the immigration activities, some illegal activities on the sea, especially with some type of boats, smaller boats. So this is very good solution to detect and raising the awareness. This is MILSAR, synthetic aperture radar, especially produced for the UAV platforms, but also it can be used in some helicopters. It's a compact product. Actually, it allows you to have a wide area surveillance. What does it mean, wide area surveillance? You can consider that in only 1 hour, it can scan up to 1,200 square kilometer area, a very huge area. It can scan wide area in two modes. One is synthetic aperture radar mode, which has a very high resolution, 30 centimeter by 30 centimeter. And the second thing is the moving target indicator, which has a capability for finding the moving targets both on the sea and on the ground. It has very compact product, only 28 kilogram in total, and it is only one LRU. If the current platform is using 15-inch electro-optic system, it is exchangeable in a day. If there are some available space on the UAV, it takes almost 1 week time to integrate to the UAV, and we have an experience to implement this solution on different type of UAVs. This is Merter Manpack electronic attack system. As you can see, the soldier is carrying as a backpack system. So it is less than 20 kilogram, and it's a electronic attack system, which you can consider the system as a reactive jammer. What does it mean, a reactive jammer? Reactive jammer means that it is listening the enemy frequency. After it finds the frequency, it jam only this frequency. So your internal communication is not interrupted, even though the electronic attack system is active. It gives the possibility to have a internal communication while jamming the enemy frequencies. On the other hand, one of our new products, Seaman Navigational Electronic Warfare System, which we are currently producing, and the next year it will be completed and we will deliver to Turkish Army as well. It is jamming and spoofing all GNSS dependent devices. It can be either missiles, UAVs, ship, aircraft, whatever it is. It is both jamming and spoofing these platforms. It protects the critical infrastructure because it's a mobile system. You can take it and put somewhere which you would like to protect, it again creates a hemispheric protection for the respective critical infrastructure security.
At SAHA 2024 Defense Exhibition, Turkish company Ahsen Savunma is unveiling its prototype all-terrain tactical vehicle, temporarily named the M571. Designed to excel in particularly demanding operational environments, this vehicle has been in development over the past 2 years. Equipped with a powerful 5.9-liter V8 engine, generating 360 horsepower, the M571 reaches a top speed of 19 km per hour and has a range of over 500 km, making it ideal for prolonged and intensive tactical missions. The M571 all-terrain vehicle is designed with extreme modularity, allowing it to be equipped for various missions with a range of weaponry, including a 40mm automatic grenade launcher and Aselsan Sharp 12.7mm weapon system. Additionally, this vehicle can integrate reconnaissance drones for remote operations. In terms of surveillance, the M571 is equipped with a 360-degree rotating thermal camera and a zoom camera for advanced observation, complemented by a remote control system with a range of up to 5 km. Furthermore, it is reinforced against electromagnetic attacks, specialized armor making it resilient to electronic threats. The vehicle can also be configured with modular composite or ceramic armor, further enhancing its protection based on operational needs. According to the company, several other prototypes are currently in development to offer new configurations, including an APC, armored personnel carrier, version capable of transporting more than 4 passengers. Simultaneously, Ahsen Savunma is working on developing a prototype with an electric engine.